This is your macroeconomics video on the money supply. In the last video, we talked about money itself, and the money supply of the United States is also referred to as money stock, but it's the amount of or quantity of a certain currency available in the whole economy. So it's how many dollars worth of various currencies have been printed and are circulating. Now, what assets should we consider to be part of the money supply? And there's two main candidates for our purposes. We're talking about all currency. This is paper bills and coins in the hands of the public. So, $20 bills, $100 bills, dollar bills, all of the coins. That's physical currency. We also include demand deposits. A demand deposit is what you would probably refer to as a checking account. It's a balance that you have in your bank account that can be accessed by writing a check or using your debit card. So most of the time when you use your debit card with a PIN number, that is money that comes directly out of your checking account. So the debit card for the most part is the exact same as currency from your checking account. These would all be part of the money supply. Now, the U.S. government, and particularly the Central Bank of the U.S., which we call the Federal Reserve Bank, tries to measure how much money is in the U.S. money supply. So M1 is the currency or cash, all of the demand deposits, which are checking, some things called traveler's checks, which are checks you can write out in order to get cash when you're traveling in foreign countries, and other types of checkable deposits. So a checking account comes from the idea that once you used to have to write checks in order to spend money from your checking account. M2 includes everything in M1, but also savings. So savings account deposits, other types of small time deposits at banks. And then most of your average banks also have other kind of supercharged ways for you to save money, like money markets, certificates of deposits, and other minor categories. So M2 is larger than M1 because it's both the checking and the savings. M1 is the most liquid type of money. M2 is fairly liquid, but when you go and remove money from your savings, even if you can do it quickly at an ATM, when you remove money from your savings, you also have opportunity cost of giving up potential interest that you were earning on your saved money.